I believe that Jackie was someone incredibly mysterious. It's probably one of the most unknown from the known people, you know, and so it was a beautiful challenge just to get in there and use the tool of cinema, you know, which are based on paradox, emotions, and mystery. And I think we worked hard on that with Natalie.
Her voice and her presence was very different when she was doing a public interview. She got a lot more coy and maybe a little bit shy. Her voice got a little higher. There were a lot of sort of small details of how she presented herself when she was doing an interview as the wife of a politician.
La conversazione con il prete, cioè la parte più spirituale, cioè se si fa